Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Boba Fett nails out of Color Street nail strips. If you've never seen Color Street nail strips applied, I would recommend a couple videos I have in the description below. For this video, I'm using the sets Midnight and Manhattan, Bad Blood, and She's a Trooper. But you can use whatever colors you have that fit the character or fit the project you're working on. As you can see here, I am sort of cutting out the visor piece for Boba Fett's helmet. That's going to be the main accent nail in this project. So I've cut both of those out and just lining them up to make sure that they are the right size. There's a little bit hanging off the edge, but that's not going to be a problem once I start applying because I can just take the little piece off. Now I am cutting the black piece of the visor for Boba Fett's helmet. This is the piece where he actually sees through. But it's the red and the black together that make the iconic Boba Fett look. Due to the nature of this design, the black has to be cut a little bit smaller than the red. I'm only going to show you one because I don't want to make you have to watch the same thing twice. So here they are lined up. Looks good. All right, now I'm peeling off the backing. It's a little bit tricky, but not too hard if you've got some nails to work with. This part's a little bit finagly just because the pieces are a little bit, thinner, more flimsy, but not difficult at all, especially compared to actual liquid nail polish, which I could not design anything with to save my life. So here they are pressed together. Looks good. Now we'll do the next one. I'm using my tweezers here because I thought that would be helpful, and it is when you're peeling it up off of the paper, but not so much when you peel it up off of the nail strip. Womp womp. Thankfully, I was able to kind of piece it back together, and there was a little tiny line on there, but you could barely see it. You'd have to look really close, and nobody was looking that close at my nails except for me, and even then it was hard to see. I was still happy with it in the end. So here I am actually applying it to the nail strips, preparing my fingers, my nails and my fingertips with the alcohol prep pad, which kind of takes the oils off of your fingers, which makes the strips adhere better. And one of the great things about having shorter nails is that you can actually use both ends of the strip. So I cut it in half and then just kind of fold the excess over the edge to kind of seal up my edge, the tip of my nail. So this is the only time I'll show you both sides. After this, it'll just be my left hand. And I'm sorry for all the times I kind of go off camera. This was my first time filming with an overhead camera, and it was very hard to keep track of where my hands were supposed to be. The trick for applying solids especially is to take your finger from the bottom of your cuticle and run it all the way up to the tip of your nail, and then kind of in a crescent-like motion, go back and forth along your nail going upwards. This one on my thumb I'll show you a little bit better. So you kind of press it down at the bottom and you kind of just go up crescent shape, making sure that it's pressed down all the way around your nail. This is the best trick I've found for making sure there aren't any like weird bumps or weird things going on in the nail bed. And here's me using a cuticle pusher. Sorry, that was really hard to say. A rubber cuticle pusher to help kind of push down the edges of the strips into those hard to reach places around my cuticles. This is just to make sure that there won't be any peeling up, and the rubber cuticle pusher is super soft, so it doesn't damage the strip or your cuticles or anything like that. It's really nice. And now I'm just filing off the excess on the edges, and we're almost done. Just got to do the other hand, and then we're all done. Dun da da! Boba Fett nails. This was so fun to wear while watching the new show, and I was like staring at them. So I highly encourage you to do this if you love Boba Fett as much as I do. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more geeky content. See you next time!